Welcome to the Stark Academy of Science and Technology. As a new cadet, you've been selected as one of the world's best and brightest minds. Unleash your inner genius by training in the Stark Field Simulator and calling on the powers of Marvel's The Avengers. Just connect your Ozobot Evo with an Avenger action skin to begin your training and take full control of your smart device. The path to becoming a hero requires determination, perfecting your driving skills, covert LED communications, and teamwork to successfully complete missions. Team up with fellow cadets to discover the exciting possibilities the world of robotics has in store.
What is a ring? A ring is a promise, commitment between two souls dedicated to each other, to the care and love. Unbelievable. You care about your audience. Why are you live streaming like this? Mevo is like having a professional camera crew in your pocket. Well, I guess third time's the charm.
You can cut and zoom from a single Mevo as if you were shooting from multiple cameras. Or set Mevo to autopilot and let it do the live editing for you.
Mevo streams live to every major platform, so you can reach your audience wherever they are.
And it streams beautiful HD video over Wi-Fi or LTE.
To look great, you gotta sound great. Mevo makes it easy to capture professional quality audio. And with the Boost accessory, you can stay live for over 10 hours.
So whether you're live streaming to share a moment,
To reach more clients,
To get your message out,
Or to connect with your fans.
look your best with Mevo.
Are you one of the millions losing sleep from overheating, night sweats, or hot flashes? Or do chilly beds and cold feet keep you up at night? Wouldn't it be amazing if you and your partner could each have your own perfect sleep temperature on your own side of the bed instantly and on demand? Introducing the BedJet, the world's first ultra-rapid cooling, heating, and climate control system made just for your bed. The BedJet uses revolutionary direct convect air technology, sending air directly into your bedding to provide quiet and luxurious cooling and heating comfort. Use the BedJet on any size bed, any type mattress, and install under the bed in just minutes. Control your comfort via wireless remote or our Bluetooth smartphone app. Just press a button to cool off instantly with a dry and refreshing room temperature breeze through the sheets, or warm your bedding to that toasty, just out of the dryer feeling in only 180 seconds. With over 50% of couples having different sleep temperature needs, the BedJet solves the nighttime battle over the thermostat between you and your partner. Using our dual zone air comforter accessory, now each side of the bed is independently cooled or warm, giving you and your partner your own perfect sleep temperature just the way you want. We spend 1/3 of our lives in bed. Why settle for anything less than perfect, luxurious comfort and a great night's sleep? Plus, save hundreds on your utility bills by cooling or heating just where you sleep and not where you don't. Bring a BedJet home today, sleep happier, sleep better, and reinvent your bed to become one of the most delightful places in your home.
Introducing UO Smart Beam Laser, a lightweight 2-inch cube that can do so much. Simply connect with your phone. Watch your favorite videos right on your wall. It's focus free, so take it with you wherever you go. Project any contents on any surface, at any place, at any time. Enjoy great sounds with the built-in speaker that can fill up your whole room. Class 1 laser means no worries about harming your eyes. Wired or wireless connection with various devices. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy 150-inch screen theater right in your home. My life with UO. UO Smart Beam Laser.
Hey guys! So today we are headed down to Newtown to attend the King Street Crawl. I'm just really excited for the food. That is the thing that I am just so excited for. What are you like most excited for?
The music.
One really big thing in Newtown is the street art. It's really cool.
It's amazing.
Everyone in
So
Newtown
cool.
knows this mural. Now we're walking down Enmore Road just to see what else we can find along
We're
the way.
exploring.
I love all the buildings here because they're also individual, and I think that's really cool.
We found this super duper awesome camera store. Oh my god.
Everything is so damn adorable in
It is
here.
so
I want to
cool.
take it all home with me. It's just so cute. Okay guys, so we are outside a pub right now and we are lining up for Sticky Fingers. Look at this line. You seeing that? Sticky Fingers! Alrighty guys, so we're outside the Enmore Theatre right now. There is a show. Tyler Oakley, lots of onesies. Look at this. It's crazy.
Look at these ones. This one have Tyler on them.
Killing it. Okay guys, so that is it for us today. We've had an amazing time exploring around Newtown, seeing some bands.
Yeah, bands, food,
Drinks.
looking at the artwork.